Hello everyone, welcome to this video presentation by ChartNexus. My name is Gerald. So basically today we'll be focusing on the Singapore stocks, especially the STI. What are the key levels to be watching out for and where is the market direction most likely to be. Now looking at this based on the 20th of September, as you can see, the Singapore stocks have been coming down for the past couple of months after hitting a high of around 3,350. Now, most commonly asked question would be, what is the current trend of the STI? Now, if we go by the classical analysis of technical analysis, most of the time we'll be looking out for the highs. Right, so as you can see, the high reflects on the sentiments of the sellers. So whenever we want to sell stocks, right, we want to sell it as high as possible. But notice each time there's a rebound, right, the sellers are not willing to wait for a higher price, and they are selling it even though the price has gotten lower than before. So basically what it means is they are so anxious to want to get out of those stocks that are willing to sell even at a lower price. Now this continues to be, so it suggests that the sellers are more bearish, anxiously getting out of their position. So the trend based on classical analysis will be down as far as the STI chart is concerned. Now sometimes it could be pretty subjective to look out for the highs, right? How do you measure the high? How far do you look back? So this is where we rely on indicators to help us be more consistent, because indicators are basically mathematical formula, so they give us a sense of consistency in our view of the market. So if I were to turn on one of the common and popular indicator to tell trend, that would be the 20 days moving average. It basically tells us the average price for the past 20 days. So as you can see over here, the 20 days moving average had been sloping down since August, right? So this suggests that the average prices had been dropping, had been falling. So this suggests downtrend as well. So with indicator like 20 MA pointing down, this is where we say the market is on the downtrend. Buying stocks will be of a higher risk at this moment. Now, if you look back at the past period in June and July, right, you can see that the 20 days moving average was pretty flat. So this basically suggests that the market couldn't really decide the direction. It didn't go much higher. It couldn't go much lower as well. So it was a sideways market. It was more of a wait and see approach. Now, if I were to move the chart back a little bit more, you can see the 20 days moving average had been climbing for months, in fact for half a year, right, since the beginning of the year to about end of May. So when the 20 days moving average is sloping up, we will have the view that the trend is up. So buying stocks will be of lesser risk and higher chance of more profitable trades. So coming back to the current situation, the 20 days moving average have been falling. And as you can see, the trend is clearly down. But we do also know that stocks do not go down in one straight line. There are times whereby key support levels may halt or pause the downtrend. And the good news is, for STI, as of now, we are very near, or in fact, testing the key support level. Now take a look back in June-July period. Now we can see that there are several points whereby STI refused to go any lower when it came to test the 3190 level. Right, so if I were to draw a line across the 3190, you'll probably see that it has been testing it on several occasions. And in fact, this last week itself, it tested the level again, and that's where the market was rebounding. So STI is on the downtrend, but the downtrend seems to be taking a breather, or more likely would be taking a breather first, right? Because it's now near to a key support level. Now, the other good news for the bulls will be that we can sense that this downtrend is slowing down. Okay, how do we tell that? Basically, an indicator can help us to look for that as well. If I were to turn on this indicator called the MACD, right? MACD. Now, let me erase all the drawings, okay, keeping the support line there, 3190, 3195, around there. Now, you can see that the prices have been coming down lower each time, came down lower, it came down lower, in fact it's now lower. But do you notice on the MACD indicator, the corresponding low of the MACD histogram, in fact, has been going higher. Now this suggests some divergence between the price that's coming down and the indicator levels, which is going up. So MACD histogram basically measures the momentum. So it is clear that the momentum of the decline of STI is getting weaker and weaker, which will suggest two things. One, this downtrend more likely is going to take a breather, right? Or two, the downtrend could be over and STI could rebound strongly from here and so. Right, so how do we know when this will take place? This is where the key will be on this 20 days moving average. You notice the moment the price starts to fall below the 20 days moving average, it had never been able to trade past it again. This is what we term as resistances. So the 20 days moving average, so long it remains resistance, pressing down the STI index, the trend will remain down. All right. So whether the trend will continue further will depend on this 3190 level support. If it breaks, then there's a very high chance STI could proceed on its decline and trade further south. All right, so this week, as it continues to trade for the next few days, it'll be key to watch 3190, see whether it's able to continue on the support. Now, to find out more about technical analysis and how we use these key levels and indicators to try to look out for trading opportunities, you can visit our website to learn more or to come for our complimentary seminars. You can go to chartnexus.com/ITP. You can register a seat with us and we'll see you in our next training program. Right. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it has been helpful to help you at least to understand technical analysis perspectives, as well as to help you to trade more confidently and consistently. Thank you very much. My name is Gerald, ChartNexus. We'll see you in the next video.